Hey everybody, welcome to Cars, Crafts, and Drafts. I've been getting a check engine light on my 2005 Silverado P0442, which is to do with the EVAP system. So I went and I bought a canister, filter, and solenoid, and a purge valve solenoid. This video, we're going to be replacing the canister, which on my pickup is all the way behind the fuel tank. You don't need a lift to do this job. You can do this in the driveway on your back on a creeper, but it's 30 degrees outside right now and the garage is heated and the lift is here, so we're going to use that. Now, the part that I got is different than what's up there. I guess this is an older style. It's got the filter and solenoid all in one. The newer style, which I think this is because this was replaced, I believe, once before, has the solenoid here, and this tube actually runs to a remote filter, which is all the way in the front. If you follow the line all the way up, it goes right here. This is the remote filter, tucked up here, just sitting up there. So what I'm thinking I can do is just pull this guy off, tape that up. I mean, I could remove the whole thing, but I'd rather just tape it up for now and see what happens. And then maybe down the road, just delete on all that. This is just held in. Well, it's supposed to be held in by a clip, but it either broke or just fell off. Well, what we're gonna do now is just pop off this connector. And that's going to connect in the bottom of the new one. Pop off those hose clamps and we'll get to work. So we've got the old canister off. The new canister is going to go back on. Pretty straightforward. All right, so new canister's in. Got the wire, the hose plumbed up, got the wire plugged in. Deleted on that tubing. Since it doesn't go anywhere but the filter to the front of the truck, I just tucked it back into the frame there. So next we're going to change the Purge Vent Solenoid under the hood. And that is going to be another video. That's another quick fix. Again, that's the other part that I bought to try and solve the EVAP P0442 Engine Code. But that's it for replacing the canister vent and the canister solenoid. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.